Apple is once again preparing to shake the tech world. According to recent reports, Apple is secretly developing a new device called an AI pin, and it looks very similar to an AirTag. This is not a regular gadget. It is expected to be a screenless, AI-powered wearable that you can clip onto your clothes, just like a pin. The AI pin is rumored to include cameras, microphones, a speaker, and advanced artificial intelligence. Instead of using a screen, everything will work through voice commands and smart AI interactions. The biggest advantage of this device is simplicity. You won't need to check your phone or even wear a smartwatch. Just speak, and the AI pin can answer questions, translate languages, or give real-time information about your surroundings. Reports also suggest that Apple plans to connect this device with a completely redesigned AI-powered Siri, turning it into a true conversational assistant. Some tech experts believe that if this AI pin becomes successful, it could reduce the need for smartwatches in the future. Although the project is still in an early stage, it clearly shows Apple's vision for the next generation of wearable technology. So the big question is, can this tiny AI pin really replace a smartwatch, or is it just another bold experiment by